Hello, my name is Roanna for Indyforms. Are you a consultant? Whether you're a life coach, a sales coach, or a pet expert, that means you're a problem solver. And if you're a problem solver, that means you need specifics. Here comes the chaotic inbox, the back and forth messaging across different social media platforms. Well, now you can end all of that chaos with Indyforms. With Indyforms, you get all of the data you need in one single form. Let me show you how. All right, over here on the dashboard, we go to start designing a form. And we have options of design from scratch, design with AI, and browse templates. Let's design with AI. So hit this button. Once we're here, simply type in the prompt section what you want your form to be. So since we are a consultant, let's simply have a basic form created using AI. So type in create a form for clients to fill out for a consultation service. Hit enter. And here we have it. We've got consultation client information form, client details. We've got full name, email address, phone number, consultation information, reason for consultation, preferred consultation method. Do they want a video call, phone call, or in person? And is this going to be a preferred consultation date on what day and what time? Additional information. All right, so let's say we're happy with that. We can go on ahead and use the form. But let's say, for example, we want to add some changes. So let's add a little bit more information. Let's say, for example, please add client's goal. Hit enter. Now we have the client's goals added, and that is right around here. So now that we've got all of that information, all right, it looks good. So if you're happy with that, you can go on ahead and use the design, or you can actually add some graphics to it. So let's say, for example, you want to add a cool and professional looking graphic for this form. Perfect for, let's say I am a tutor. Perfect for a tutor offering consultation services. And now the image has been generated. So let's take a look. There you go. We've got consultation client information form. Welcome. Please fill out the form below to request your consultation with our professional tutor. And we've got there an image. If we're happy with that, we can go on ahead and use it with this form, or we can simply retype that prompt into something else until we're satisfied with the image that the Indyforms AI designer tool comes up with. You can also simply upload your own photo if you have your own, for example, your own logo, which we can actually do. Let me show you how to do that. So using this form, if we're happy with this, simply hit use this design. And now you're ready to either proceed without making any changes, or you can simply add further to edit this by adding more information or deleting things you no longer want. So for example, we've got this image over here, but let's say we want our logo at the very end. So let's move this over here. So let's say we want the logo for your tutorial services at the very bottom. So let's simply add, so hit the plus sign, and then to add images or videos, simply hit rich text. And over here in the middle, click on Edit Content. When you do that, simply go to the bottom icons. You will see text color, background color, and then insert image, insert video, and so on and so forth. You can even upload a file if you want. So here, you can simply either insert a video or insert an image. So let's say we want to insert an image of our logo. So let's say this is my logo for my tutorial services. Then I would simply have my logo over there, Ruru Tutorials. If I'm satisfied with that, all right. If I want to make it bigger, I can. And let's say this is the size I want, simply click outside of the box and hit this preview button over here up top. Once you do that, you'll be given what your form would look like to your clients. We've got that AI generated image, and now we've got the client information, as well as the consultation details, dates, and additional information. And we've got our logo down here on the bottom. So once you're ready with that and you're satisfied, simply hit share, publish form. And once you make it public, simply go and share it as a link. You can share it as a link or create a QR code. And should you need help at any time at all, simply hit this button down here. And now you have access to Indyforms' assistant 24 hours of the day to help you make your form even better and easier to use. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough and found it very useful. Form it, share it, love it. My name is Roanna for Indyforms. See you next time.